Hey stranger, welcome back. October is finally here, and it's the perfect time for me to continue my horror deadlisting series. Just like the last time, I created a poll on my community tab here on YouTube for you to decide which scene you wanted to see next, and the winner was Pride. Pride, with a negative connotation, refers to a foolishly and irrationally corrupt sense of one's personal value, status, or accomplishments. So no, this will definitely not be a gay pride doll. For my concept, I really wanted to create some kind of a female demon that looks flawless, even a little ethereal, but with a twist, that she is so proud that she can see the truth. Which truth? Well, keep on watching. For this project, I'll use a Ghoulia doll. I want my demon to have some horns, but they'll be fused with their actual skin, kinda like Madama Butterfly from the game Bayonetta. I'll start by tracing the basic silhouette of the head on a piece of paper. Later, I'll use the drawing to mold some wire. This clip is not on this video, because I was struggling a lot on how I needed to make the structure, so I deleted everything for the sake of this video's length. Once I have the wire, I'll insert it where I want my horns to be. Structure ready. Then, for my scope to be as light as possible, I'll use a technique I learned from my dear friend Bosena from Doll's brand new look. I leave her channel down on my description box so you can check her out. This technique consists on using some aluminum foil to fill the gaps. And then secure it with some tape. This way I won't have to use a lot of clay. Once both horns are covered up, I'll start by sculpting the head with air dry clay, helping myself with some water to blend it well and reduce the sanding process. Gotta say that the thing I love the most about this face mold is that she won't have any eyes, because she's too proud to see. While you enjoy the sculpting process, let's chat a little bit. Some of you may have heard about the new YouTube toy channel policies, and almost all the doll artists are unsure on how this will affect our channels. To be honest, I really don't know if this will affect Kyro's workshop. I personally believe that this channel is some kind of safe, because my content has never been very suitable for kids. I mean, this series is especially a little creepy, and my aesthetic is very far away from the typical Lolita doll, you know, with big eyes and a lot of colors. Here in the workshop we love some sexy characters. And here's the final look of the complete head. Now it's time to sculpt some details to the body. And this is the final look. Once the sculpting was completely dry, I applied 2 coats of super glue with a brush on every edge to protect them from chipping, just like I saw on a Dollmotion video, linked to her channel down as well. The truth of this flawless creature is that she's being corrupted. I'll create this parasite by using my glue gun to add some nasty ass texture. Time to blend that white clay with acrylic paint. Once done, I'm going to work on the face. just tapping her nostrils with dark grey color, and also drawing her lips with black pencil, which I'll fill with paint later. Time to give some shadows to this lady. I'll use grey and black pastels to contour her face and create depth. I'll also give the hands the same treatment. To add a little bit of color to the skin, I'm mixing some purple and red pastels and shade the shoulders, elbows, wrists, knees and feet, as well as all the pointy areas of the head. For the corruption of the back, I'll paint the base with a vibrant red. Then I'll make a wash by using some very diluted black paint and apply it to the area and clean it right away with a paper tissue. After that, I'll darken some veins with pure black paint. For the costume, she will only be wearing a black cape, which I'll make by using the skirt of this dress. She was missing some accessories, so I used the same harness I made for my Halloween doll from last year. To be honest, I really love how flawless she looks from the front, and that repulsive harsh details from the back. What do you think about Pride? I gotta tell you that I'm already making the next scene, and this time it will be a surprise. Well, as always, remember to like, share and join to the workshop by subscribing to my channel and all that jazz. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next time. Kyro out!